Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video, and today isn't actually a review because this intro might sound like we're just doing a review, but behind me you'll notice we have the BMW M140i, and I just thought we should do something really interesting. So an M140i is a very popular performance car, so I just thought maybe we should find out what the ownership experience is, how much it costs to live with, to run, to maintain, fuel costs, insurance, installment, even all that jazz. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. I met the owner right here, who has an Instagram page where he posts pictures of the car alone. Actually, we've done a review with this car before. We've done a review, we've done a POV drive, we've done a lot with this actual car. So my Tiger M140i on Instagram, do check him out. The page is really nice. He has some cool shots of this car. So yeah, if you were keen to find out what the ownership experience is like on an M140i, or maybe you're considering owning an M140i, today you'll be finding out. So that's what we're doing today. So we're just gonna hop inside the car, go for a drive, and we'll be chatting inside the car the whole time. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. Let's jump right into it. So guys, you join us inside the M140i. So we're just going to discuss everything while driving. With Theo right here, which you've seen before in the previous videos. We've done the review and the POVs and whatnot. So yeah, we're going to be talking some numbers, mainly ownership experience, installment, including insurance, that is. So when did you get this car, bro?
Got it last year, so 2021, 5th of January. It's just over a year now.
Just over a year. And you say you got it for like 680, right?
Yeah.
Which is, I saw now they are trading for even 750 towards 800.
Yeah.
It's crazy, hey?
So it's actually interesting. So when I got the car, because I was specific, I wanted a shadow edition, I wanted a white one, I wanted this, I wanted that. So there were a few that you could get, but high mileage, but still you're looking at about 640, 630. So I told myself, look, I'm going to keep it for a long time. Let me get something low mileage, get the shadow edition fully spec. So that was going for 680.
And this has everything, stuff like Harman Kardon, like literally everything.
Heated seats, sensors everywhere.
The seats, are they also electric?
Yeah.
So it's got everything.
I was actually at BMW today, the same spec, same kilometers, shadow edition. It's going now for 730.
Damn, that's insane, hey? So I think we should just wait until we exit the gates. But yeah, these are trading for good money for what they are. I mean, what's going on? Is he talking to us, or what is he? Okay, you were saying you were at BMW today, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually quite interesting. I was at BMW today, just over a year later. The same car with more mileage than what I got it for. It's not going for 730.
Crazy, hey?
That's
the
insane.
market has gone crazy now. So since the car is still under motor plan and service plan, whatever, so you literally don't pay anything to get the car maintained and stuff.
Yeah, so
which is really nice.
Actually, yeah, you don't pay anything for service and whatever. If any light comes on and it needs a repair or whatever needs changing, all of that's taken care of. Unfortunately, motor plan does not take care of petrol and tires. Because I mean, if you have a car like this, rear-wheel drive with this amount of power, you tend to play around.
I think I saw, I was checking the stats now, average fuel consumption on normal driving is like 7.1 or 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers. But if you're driving crazy, what number do you often get?
I'm averaging 12.
12?
Without a joke.
Damn. Even when you're driving normally?
Even when I'm driving normally, I'm averaging 12.
Yeah, it can get insane.
Yeah, and if you put it on sports and really have fun with it, Jesus, I'm scared to even look at that.
It gets crazy, hey?
Yeah. So the tires are changed quite a bit, I must say, but I mean that's not for everyone. I launched my car for no reason at all.
Yeah.
So I spend a lot on tires, especially back tires.
What do the tires on this go for?
Sheesh. I'm running run flats. I think now I've put on Bridgestone. Just trying to think, because the invoice was I got 3 tires. So it was just under 8,000.
Damn.
Yeah,
For the rears only, or for all 4?
No. I got 3 tires.
3 tires.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then again, there's a guy that helps me out with tires, so I don't know if that's the market value or I got a bit of a discount there. But I mean, you're looking at about 4,000 a tire.
Damn, that's insane, bro.
Yeah.
So I think I checked. This car has like, you can just keep the left lane, eh? Yeah, I think I checked. This car has about a 52-liter tank, and with the claimed fuel consumption, it can do about 730 kilometers on a tank. But I'd guess if you often see like 12 liters per 100 kilometers, you can only manage like maybe 550 kilometers, or
I think on a good tank, if I get 550, I'm happy.
You're gonna turn left at the next robot.
That claim, that number that BMW put out, far from it.
Far from it.
I have never, in the 14 months I've had this car, gotten 700 or anything close to that.
Oh, damn. So full tank with current fuel prices?
I actually have an invoice here somewhere. It's 1,108 rand and a few cents.
Damn.
And for that, you're paying for about 530
kilometers.
Yeah, kilometers.
Yeah. So when the car is filled up, does like you can go straight. Yeah. Does it last you for like maybe a week or before filling up again?
Yeah. So I'm working from home. However, I do drive to the gym and the car train station. So I'm getting a tank a week.
Okay.
But also, to my detriment, I do drive the car in sport quite a bit.
Yeah.
I like the sound.
Yeah, it sounds really good. Downpipe, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's insane. But yeah, M140i. Yeah, like it's interesting. It's actually not quite expensive to make. I wouldn't know, like after service plan, like without that, maybe it gets a bit tricky.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure you've never faced any issues with the car, like maybe some error readings or like some form of reliability.
The only error reading that I've had, and I think I mentioned this to you earlier on, was a key. My key, I had to go change the battery.
Nah, that happens with every car. Yeah.
You know, that's the only error I've ever gotten in this car.
Plus that happens with any car, so the batteries run out.
But other than that, I must say I'm completely happy with this car. I'd buy it 10 times over again. I think as long as if you buy this car without the expectation and fuel and this and that,
you'll go left here.
Left.
Yeah, left here. Oh, we forgot to talk about our installments and insurance.
So that will work differently on
with every individual. Yeah. You'll turn right at the next one.
I bought my car for 680. I got a good interest rate because I bank with Investec, and they tend to give their customers quite good rates. I think I got prime -1. So my installments recently just went up. I think when I got the car it was 8.9, but with the increase in repo rates, it's gone up to now to about 1,180 extra. It's gone up to 9,000.
Oh.
That's in total. And with my insurance, I actually got lucky because when I was doing quotations for this car, initially I was quoted 3.8 because I'm below 30, unmarried, no kids, live alone. So they stuffed me a bit in that.
So you're considered a bit high risk.
and just on a side note, I did a quote and an info at the same time. The highest quote I got was 8,000, and the cheapest one was 5.6 on an info.
Yes, so 8,000.
So I came back to my senses. I said the M140.
That's the way to go.
No, that's the way to go. I won't pay 8,000 for insurance.
I know a guy who's paying 3.5 for an M2 competition.
Jesus.
Yeah. So also age is a thing. So if
but also it depends whose profile.
True.
So mine, I started off at about 3.6. and then I moved everything to my business. So now I'm paying about a 1.6.
I will turn right
1.5.
here at this next robot.
Okay, sweet. So now it's gone down to about 1.5 on insurance, but now it's not in my name, it's in the company's name, so it's viewed as
Also, it does
risk.
help. Oh, okay.
No, insurance is insane. I mean, one of my close friends, he's paying 2.5 insurance on the same car.
On the same car.
Yeah.
I'm under 25. I would imagine someone like me would pay like 6 grand. Easy.
Yeah.
6 grand for insurance. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you're looking at.
I'm under 25. Yeah.
Nah, you definitely
And I've only had my license for about 5 years now.
look at
So
that as well.
you look at that as well. So yeah, I guess.
Good luck, buddy.
Not now. I'll wait until I'm over 25 at least. But hey, you never know. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've wanted to discuss for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do say thanks to Theo by following his Instagram page with this car, my Tiger M140i. It will be on screen, so that won't be a problem for you guys to find it. So yeah, until next time, that's cheers from me.